Hi everyone, welcome back. Making a bookshelf, a very, very heavy bookshelf.
Pain in the butt too.
1.25 inch, solid hickory. This thing was a pain to deliver. They wanted even the back panel to be 1.25 inch solid hickory. Hickory is one of the hardest woods you can work with.
Yeah. Constantly was hungry. Every single time we cut this stuff, I was hungry because all I could smell was chicken.
Barbecue chicken.
And I would like to preface, I do not have that shirt anymore. It lived out its life very, very much.
I think this was the glue up part of this was part of another video. Was it?
I think you even have it.
We don't have the glue up?
You did a bunch of stuff without recording.
Oh, yeah, of course I would. There's Trinda trying to move 300 pounds,
Yep.
and she weighs 110 pounds. It's pretty good then, eh?
Yeah.
Strong. I'm pretty sure it's not 300 pounds, but it was definitely a heavy board.
That one's, yeah, definitely heavier than me.
Probably at least 170 pounds. Yeah, because Trinda couldn't pick it up.
Yeah.
Only I could. Right, I mentioned I love this table saw, even though it's old. It's beautiful. Just cuts amazing. And I got a steal of a deal on it. I pretty much stole it from him. Just needed a transformer for the voltage, that's all.
Poor guy got his table saw stolen from him.
Don't cut your fingers off. Keep them intact.
Because of optics, it looks like my hands are a lot closer than it actually is.
What are you cutting here? It's one of the shelves.
So it's a big
Yes,
piece
you
that
keep having to move stuff far away because you keep placing stuff on the end table of the saw.
Dave keeps placing
I
stuff.
do not. You place it there too, because I have to move your junk too.
Yeah, so there's two of the shelves.
What are you doing to that?
Using water to soaking it
Oh,
with
pop the
soaking
grain?
it, yeah.
So it's been sanding, yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Soaking it with water, pops all the grains, and then you sand all the grains and it becomes smoother.
Oh, she learned something. How much did you know about woodworking before this, Trinda?
Very, very little. Screw, nail, going wood, use hammer. And maybe.
Use hammer on screw head. Yes, that's exactly how it goes.
Yes.
Okay. Cut! Move on.
We moved on, Dave.
Sanding. Whoa. I've gone so far.
I know, it's so much fun.
Lots of sanding. You guys don't even get to see all the sanding.
This is a fraction of all the sanding.
So you guys can put up with this, right? Just a little bit of tiny sanding. If you want a full version of sanding, just let me know. I'll put up to 5-6 hours.
We'll live stream it.
I almost swore there. Because that's how much I hate sanding.
Sanding's a pain.
I mean, I love
See,
sanding.
I can pick up these boards.
Yes, these are about your weight. Actually, they're probably about 60 pounds.
They're half of a big board. There were 2 big boards and a medium board. I can pick up half.
You couldn't pick up the backboard. backboard was really heavy.
Yeah. The other 3 boards I could pick up.
I almost killed my brother-in-law delivering these because he helped me. And he decided he wanted the bottom. Yeah, he almost went down, you know, a whole flight of stairs that were 14 feet long or more, so 16 feet long, 14 feet up in the air.
Oh yeah.
Well, this is refinishing the back because we changed it too dark.
Yeah.
See, that's what I mean, I get carried away on the spraying. So, redoing the back.
I think we had to redo all the pieces.
Yes, because they were too dark.
Yeah. I kept this one in because it's kind of satisfying to watch it all go.
At least that sander works really good.
Yeah.
Nice and powerful. It's Makita 6-inch sander. It has a smooth version or setting and a very aggressive setting. I only keep it on the aggressive setting. I don't have patience for that.
You don't have time.
As you can tell, I'm ADD, so I don't have patience for anything.
So yeah, we had to refinish all the pieces.
These are dowels, yeah. I think that's really satisfying watching those dowels. All that shading. That's all that shading. So I really like that bit.
It's a really cool.
I know there's more high-tech ways of doing this. I just don't have them. No one wants to make me watch ads.
It was a 12-minute ad, okay?
Too long, Brenda. I have better things to do than to watch. I'm not even sure what it was. Some makeup ad. You can tell I don't use make fashion. Yeah, we really have a lot of that around here.
True.
What am I watching? Me putting holes in wood.
Measuring where to put the
dowels that don't exactly quite fit, so I just pound it in. Yeah, not quite. Just a little. Drill a little more. Drill a little more. There, look, they fit. Where's the hammer? Get the hammer. There you go. It fits. So I put everything together, then took it apart, and stained it. Then put it back together. Does that sound like fun? It sure wasn't.
We had a couple of casualties along the way as well.
That wood was so hard it broke my screws. I used big heavy gauge screws and it broke all of them. I'm not sure if it was the wood or my drill, my impact. My new Makita impact. That thing just broke everything. Broke bits, broke screws, just breaks everything. Yeah, that little drill right there, that little thing. Mighty little thing.
It's like a lion.
I don't know, it's like a gorilla. Gorilla in a... What are those little monkeys called? They're little tiny, the little tiny friendly ones. The ones that sit on... The ones that sit on your shoulders. You know, the little ones? Yeah, you know, little tiny things. Little tiny monkeys. That's what it is. Like a little tiny monkey, but the power of a gorilla. I think we catch you and break you. That's what that little Mira drill is like. It's like a little gorilla. It's like, it's super powerful. Just breaks absolutely everything if you're not careful.
Makita, if you're watching this, sponsor us.
That's all I have is Makita. Actually, that's not true. I have some DeWalt. Shh, don't tell anyone.
It's the final stretch, guys.
Not drills though, not wireless drills. And now putting them back together and figuring out how everything goes back together again.
Because he did not label anything.
I don't believe in labels.
You labeled one of them.
I tried to label things. I just don't do a very good job at labeling them.
He does one and forgets to do it the rest.
At least I have one. See, look, it doesn't fit. Oh, maybe it does. A little bit of glue. Where's the hammer? Right here. Hammer fixes everything.
True.
If you guys didn't know this, one of my employees in the past nicknamed me Cave Dave. So if you want to, you can reference me in the comments with Cave Dave. Because I see something, I just use either my fist or my foot and pound it in. You can tell by my brow, I'm half Neanderthal.
Make it alien.
Yeah, something like that. Some European of some sort. Neanderthal man survives from the last one. Come back. No, you heard it right off. Look, look. This is the fun part. I get to break ton of these. The Makita, yeah, your bits suck. Makita, your bits suck. Your tools are great. Your bits suck.
10 seconds later.
Yeah,
The
exactly.
second one.
Why? Those are number 3 Robinsons. They're just breaking. Why?
No, Dave.
And then they get
why,
stuck in my
why
screw.
are you so strong? You can stop
The drill.
weightlifting.
A Makita drill. It's a beast. And another. And another.
A third one broke. That we don't have footage of.
Yeah. Was it just 3? It felt like so much more.
It was just 3.
I was running out of bits. I just kept breaking all of them. DeWalt makes better bits, guys.
The kid is not gonna sponsor
Not
this
for
out.
bits. Unless they can prove to me they make better bits and send me some. Wink, wink, guys. But currently your bits suck. Assembly. Now the whole thing is very, very heavy.
Might have been almost better to just assemble
There you
it
go.
there.
Finished product. I think it looks pretty good
It does.
for a couple of shoemakers.
Shoemaker?
It's a Romanian saying.
If you like what you see, check out our website down in the description. Check out the other links and all that kind of stuff.
And you too can have a very heavy bookshelf.
Very heavy, very good quality. Relatively locally sourced wood and stuff.
Lots of stuff.
But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you all next time.
Bye, I gotta go home.